I'm Takehiko Nagakura. I'm an associate professor at MIT. I teach architecture and computation. So I've been working on a project called Design Heritage. We have been going to important cultural heritage sites over the past 10 years. And we do a documentation project and also design of the representation of what we collected as data and then eventually converting them to 3D models. This project is, to me, providing us a very interesting specimen. It's a project about Caravanserai, which I had no idea what it was about a year ago. But Guzden was a visiting professor to my lab over the past 1 year, and she was talking about this interesting series of buildings along the side of the Silk Road. But to me, what was interesting was different buildings are adapted into different kind of forms in the contemporary society. And some are like in a wrecked condition, probably very much untouched. Some are completely modernized, renovated. And I think over time, the context dramatically changed for each of the sites. Studying how the building responded to the site around it, and then transformed or abandoned. That is a very interesting phenomena to study. I think Caravanserai gives us very interesting examples because originally they all serve the same purpose, right? And each one kind of grew and went through different kind of histories. So the special thing about this project, is that it's a series of buildings. It's not just a single building. One strong commonality is that we're using the same technology, right? Go to the site, and within a very limited amount of time, we sample lots of data. So technology is definitely a very important part of the project. And being able to use good technology for a suitable purpose is very essential to efficiently and also appropriately collect data on the site. Professor Guzden probably have a different vantage point, but we have this type of interest. And in the end, I think we can make a very interesting total project which is around Caravanserai, but from different vantage points, architects, designers, sociologists. So I think this is a very interesting cases for my lab project.